Hello students, supposing your class teacher is taking your entire class on a picnic in the school bus. Your teacher asks you to take attendance of the students who are boarding the bus. How will you do it? Number 1. You will write down all the names of the students in a notepad. Number 2. You would memorize all the names. Number 3. You would simply call out the names and inform your teacher. Making a list sounds like the best option, right? It will help you to identify the number of students who are entering the bus quickly and easily. We have seen many instances of making a list, like your mother making a to-do list, your father doing the same. Lists help us to remember things, to see if we have covered everything, and after we have finished, they help us to cross-check our work too. So yes, making a list has many advantages. Now, let's see what we should do to prepare a list. A list cannot be written in paragraphs. Writing in pointers is effective. You can add bullets and numbers to those pointers by using Microsoft Word. So let's try it out. The bullet sign is used to emphasize the importance of an item in a list. Imagine you are making a list of fruits for your fruit salad. You mark the items in the list with a star or a check mark. This helps us focus on the essential items in the list. To insert bullets, number 1. First, create a list of salad items in Microsoft Word. Number 2. Select the list to which you want to add bullets. Number 3. Click the bullet drop-down menu under the Home tab of the paragraph section. Number 4. Select any bullet style of your choice by simply clicking on it, and your bulleted list is ready. We can see there are different options available with the help of which you can give different bullet styles to the pointers, and also you can create a bullet as per your choice by selecting the Define New Bullet option. We can also change the alignment of a bulleted list using Align Text under the paragraph section. Here, the alignment refers to the arrangement of the text. For example, suppose you want to keep it in the center. Select the text, then click on the Center Alignment option. Adding numbers to your pointers is also possible with the help of the numbering option. It also has different variations. Let's see how it works. Number 1. Select the list to which you want to add numbers. Number 2. Select the numbering drop-down menu under the Home tab in the paragraph section. Number 3. Select any numbering style of your choice by simply clicking on it, and your numbered list is ready. In this case too, we can define a new bullet as per our choice by selecting the Define New Bullet option. How about using both bullets and numbers? Is it possible? Of course it is. This feature is known as multi-level list. This is an important feature because if you insert a line or new word in the middle of a numbered list, the word uses a multi-level list and renumbers the paragraphs to maintain their sequence. Let's see how to create one. Number 1. Select the text that you want to format as a multi-level list. Number 2. Click the multi-level list drop-down menu under the Home tab in the paragraph section. Number 3. Select any bullet or numbering style that you want to use by simply clicking over it. Now, this looks like normal numbering only. To change this to multi-level, first click the text whose level you want to change. Now, go to Multi-Level List, click on the small drop-down arrow on the right. At the end of the list, you will see Change List Level. Click on the arrow on the right side and select the bullet you want to choose. Repeat the process to change further levels. In order to go back to level 1, go again to the multi-level list and select the change list level and choose the level 1 bullet option. I hope you've all understood the concept of bullets and numbering. Now, let's move ahead. Take a look at this essay. Are you able to find where the para ends? Probably not. Everything looks very cluttered and the essay appears as one long paragraph. Here, line and paragraph spacing comes into the picture. This feature allows us to add spaces between lines and paragraphs. Let's first understand the feature of line spacing. Line spacing is the amount of distance between the lines of a text in a paragraph of a Word document. Let's see how it works. Number 1. Select the text or paragraph, or you can just place the mouse cursor on the paragraph. Number 2. Click on the line and paragraph spacing option under the paragraph section. Number 3. Select the desired spacing value from the drop-down list. Example, we have set the line spacing at 2.0. Moving on the paragraph spacing, the amount of space or distance added above or below a paragraph in a Word document is referred to as paragraph spacing. Let's see how we can use it. Number 1. Select the paragraph or paragraphs for which you wish to set spacing and open the paragraph dialog box by clicking on the drop-down arrow from the Home tab. Number 2. The paragraph dialog box will appear on the document. Number 3. Click the before spinner to increase or decrease the space before the selected paragraph. Similarly, click the after spinner to increase or decrease the space after the selected paragraph. Finally, click on the OK button to apply the changes to the document. Now, I hope you will find it easier to make organized lists using Microsoft Word. Thank you.